module of Jio Payments Bank features and benefits. In this module, we will learn about features and benefits of Jio Payments Bank savings account. Everyone above the age of 18 can open a savings account with Jio Payments Bank, and there is no maximum age to open JBP savings account. This is zero balance account. Customers can maintain unlimited balance in their savings account with sweep facility. JBP savings account is available in two variants. JBP savings account available with annual subscription charge of ₹99 and JBP privileged savings account available with annual subscription charge of ₹399. Customer will earn 3.5% interest on the savings account's deposit. Interest will be calculated on the end of the day balance and paid on a quarterly basis. A customer can perform unlimited transactions of NEFT and IMPS, and there are no charges on it. Customer can transfer ₹1 lakh amount per day through UPI, and there are no charges to customer. JBP savings account benefits. Jio Payments Bank savings accounts offer customers. Jio Payments Bank savings account is available with low-cost banking. Zero balance account. Now account opening becomes easy. Digital savings account opened in minutes and without any paperwork. Jio Payments Bank banking outlet are available in all nearby stores for service of customer. @Jio UPI handle can be used to receive and send money instantly. A customer can access the savings accounts using JFS app and MyJio app. Jio Payments Bank does not require any physical documents for opening a Jio Payments Bank savings account. Customer shall know Aadhaar or VID number or PAN number to process with savings account. Savings account onboarding journey. Before we start the process of onboarding the customer for savings account customer, BC agent shall ensure that the most updated JBP partner application is installed in the mobile phone. Now, let's log into the JBP partner application using BC agent's login ID and password and tap on the login button. Remember, BC agent must not share his login ID and password to anyone, including the employees of Jio Payments Bank. In case BC agent is not able to log in due to error as forgot password, BC agent shall tap on forgot password and follow the change password process. BC agent will